Okay guys, Deck Boss here. Today's project is going to be a custom mailbox out of decking material. We started off with two 2x8s. We measured 48 inches to here. This is where our deck boards are going to start. Our mailbox will be sitting on top of this, and this part is going to go into the ground. So this will be in the ground with some gravel and some concrete. We are going to pre-treat this with some Rust-Oleum paint so it doesn't get absorbed, or we can put some membrane tape, either or. That way it won't rot. So the 48 inches, all of this is going to be decking spaced out. We started already on cutting some boards just to give us a kind of an idea of what we're going to do. So we're going to have these here. We're going to space them out. This is going to be 32 inches wide mailbox. The mailbox itself is 20 inches across. This is not going to be here, just is going to be in between, and it's going to support the other 4x4. The mailbox will be sitting on here, and it'll be resting 20 inches. This piece here on top, what we'll do is we will build a little box for a flower pot, so that way my wife can put a mum or a flower or whatever she wants on top of there. So right now we got some boards cut. I'm gonna go over to our pile of other decking materials. What's up, Cappuccino? We're gonna go over there. We're gonna pull some of the other colors. What we're doing is pretty much going to be a mailbox with multicolored decking, and then we'll be selling these mailboxes for approximately $3.99 installed. So if anyone wants a mailbox, let me know. Custom. Like I said, we have some materials here. We're going to just use what we have, because why are we going to go out and purchase brand new decking for this project when we have plenty of decking left over from other projects? Although if you guys want a custom mailbox and you want a custom color, we can do that for you. We can match your house, we can match your siding, or if you want some natural wood, we do have wood as well. We can do some cedar, we could do some oak, we could do some maple. Whatever you guys choose, we'll get it done. So right now we're just digging through our pile. We're going to use this as our boards here for our project. We'll take a few colors, match them up, take it over there, get it cut, and this is what we're doing for today's project. So stay tuned. I'll give you a little progress update in a few minutes. Off. Stop recording, Meta. Okay guys, so here we are. We got the custom mailbox done. It's a little dirty because we were watering the bottom here. So we did a custom mailbox, little planter box on there, 2 4x4 posts. They're about 2 feet deep. We planted some mums all the way around, so those will get thicker and full, and they'll be filling right up to that line. So yeah, if you guys want a custom box, let me know. I can build one for you. Just hit me up, and yeah, stay tuned for our next project. Deck Boss out. Bye.